Kasi medyo aware ako na parang insurance agent siya noon. So sabi ko, parang pakilala niyo ako, kunyari kukuha ako ng insurance, ganyan.
And then, sabi niya, i-refer niya daw ako. And then yun, parang pinakilala and then I messaged him.
Just dropping by, ganyan. I heard you're looking for insurance, ganyan. So ako, parang, eto na. Kinilig na ako. Nung offer pa lang ng insurance, kinilig na ako.
Kilala ko na siya by name, in high school.
Parang nung nakita ko siya, parang nagandahan ako sa kanya. And then, fast forward to 2019, parang may time na, ewan ko, parang na-feel ko na kailangan ko ng insurance.
Nag-discuss kami and all. And parang tumagal yung usapan. Parang sobrang nag-click lang yung conversation.
Una, insurance muna, pinag-uusapan namin kasi gusto ko parang professional muna.
Yung treatment ko sa kanya, client talaga.
Until one time, sabi ko, parang gusto mo bang lumabas tayo? Ganun.
He asked me out to watch a movie.
Nanood kami ng movie, Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Si Albert. How long? Huh?
Wait lang ah. Wait.
5 months? 5 years?
1, 2, November, December, January.
5 years?
2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24.
4 months
Ilan nga ulit months?
and 22 days.
Nakalimutan ko. Ang hirap ng tanong nyo ah. Alam mo yung meron kang pinagdadasal kay Lord na person na parang ang tagal mong inantay. Tapos biglang na-meet ko siya. Tapos nung nakilala ko siya, parang sobrang ramdam ko na siya yung binigay ni Lord para sa akin. So talagang answered prayer.
When I close my eyes, you're standing next to me. Kissed by the light, dancing through the trees. You let your hair down past your shoulder. I took your hand and pulled you close.
I remember I had this day na sobrang dami kong problema. Parang it's so memorable kasi I was really down, I was really vulnerable. And nagulat ako kung saan niya ako dinala. Dinala niya ako sa church. After namin mag-pray, we sat down outside of the church. And then sinabi niya, isa-isahin natin yung problems mo. And then he really helped me. He made me feel na okay lang yung nafe-feel ko, na malalagpasan ko yon, na nandun siya for me.
Masasabi ko na yun yung pinakamasayang mga taon ko sa buhay ko. Sobrang blessed ko lang na kasama ko siya.
I super love Albert because I truly believe na he deserves all the love in the world. He brought the best in me, not through telling me na you have to be like this, you have to be like this. No, it's more of I was inspired to be a better person because yun yung deserve ni Albert.
Sobrang mahal ko si Dana. Kaya ko ibigay lahat para sa kanya.
in a field of daffodils in bloom.